Let's be honest, people are intrigued by animation and they love animation out there. You see the YouTube channels that are really blossoming and they're making millions of monies every year by using AI and animation. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the tools that I'm using to create my own channel that I'm growing for a kiddies channel. But you can create a faceless channel with this. You can create all sorts of channels that people really watch and enjoy using the tools that I'm sharing today. So let's jump in and I'll show you the tools that I found. We know Canva has all sorts of elements that you could use, like the cartoon arms and cartoon legs that you could add, as well as cartoon faces that you could add. The other positive thing about Canva is that you could create talking characters. If you've missed this video of mine where I'm showing you how to make a character talk, you can always go watch it. What I'm showing you today is to have a full animated face on a character with this website. If you go to www.vecteezy.com and you search for cartoon mouth and you scroll through the many sources that are available for you there, where you get to have a mouth, different kinds of mouth talking, is including faces that you could use. The faces blink, it has a nose and a mouth and it's talking. So all you do is you download these green screen backgrounds and you add them to your face that you've added on Canva, and then you would have the cabbage talking. So what do I mean by that? I mean, you just simply open it up and then they're going to ask you for attribution, which is fine. You're going to attribute it as a video if you're using it, and then it downloads it for you. Once it downloads it after you have logged in, or if you haven't logged in, it will show you an ad. But once you've seen the ad, it will go to your download and then you can add it to Canva. And then it's on here. And on Canva, you're going to then take off the background of the green screen. I must be honest with you, the green screen didn't come off nicely on Canva. And then I used Capcut. Capcut takes it quite nicely, and I do have videos that explain that. What I want to show you now is how you make them talk now here. You add it to Canva, you use the background remover. If you have the Pro version, unfortunately it's a Pro version tool, but if you want to test it out, you're more than welcome to use my link in the description below. Then you reduce the size and you add the face. You just size it nicely so that it suits whatever cartoon you're creating for. And then when you play it, it will start talking.
Like, turn that frown into a song.
And then they blink. So this is one way to cartoonify your images or your characters using Vecteezy, Canva, and Capcut if you want to take off the Chrome quite nicely, but Canva also takes it off. So once you've downloaded this cartoon, you can always make them walk and talk like I've showed you at the beginning. And you would use this beautiful tool that I also created a video for. It's called sketch.metademolab.com. So if you open sketch.metademolab.com and you try it now, it asks you try it now and you click on accept. And then you can upload an image that you've downloaded from Canva. So let me show you an example of one that I've used, of one of the characters that we've used. And you click open and then it starts loading it on there. And you go next. And then you can size it, make sure that everything is on screen. And then you fix it. If some of the characters' limbs are not highlighted, then you use the pen. If they've highlighted a wrong space, you can use the eraser to take it off. But if everything is in like this character, we're happy, we're going to go next. And then we make adjustments if there's adjustment needed for the joints, so that the tool can pick up the joints of the character. You go next. And then your character is jumping and dancing, and then when you click on the next animation, you would decide what kind of animation you want for the character that you're creating. So he's saying hey, and so you're happy with this, and now you want to download it. You're going to click on here. It'll open it up and make it big for you to be able to access the 3 dots, and then you click on download and your character is created. Then you go back to Canva and combine it and make it one. To get the character to have audio or get my AI audio, I use www.11labs.io, and I also use Narakit. Narakit.com is another website that I use quite a lot for voices for my characters. On our list is called FlexClip. You're gonna go www.flexclip.com. This is a 3D animation video tool, or even more than that, because it has 3D animation templates that you could use. It also has other tools that you could use to create your animations using this tool. It's quite cool. So you can add an image so that it turns to a 3D animation. If you explore this further, then it will create amazing 3D animation for you. Today I just want to show you this part, and if you want me to do a more in-depth video about the tools I'm showing you today, please in the comments let me know. So let's upload an image together. Sign up to log in, and with this one you're going to upload an image, and then the tool brings it to life. So let's, for example, upload this beautiful little boy for our channel that we're using, for kids channel. If you want to go check it out, it's called Zoe's Jamboree, especially if you have a small child. We're creating so much cool videos there with all of these tools. And then you get these results where the image will be vertically animated, horizontally animated, circle animated, and perspective animated. So it depends on how you want it, as well as the direction. You can choose the direction, and the intensity of the animation is up to you. If you are happy, you could always export it and then go use it wherever you are animating. I'm going to explore this tool more, and if I find more interesting things, I will share with you so that we grow together. The last tool though that we're doing together is mind-blowing. You know Runway, ne? We've done videos on Runway from this channel together. All of the links are linked in the description for you below, but it's runway.com, runwayml.com. Exactly what you see here. You get to animate characters and make them talk. So you add your own video or your own character, and then Runway will actually make it for you the way that you want. So once you want to try it, you click on try it now. Then you can upload your image or your video. Once you've uploaded your image or your video, the asset gets processed to the AI. You will then do your adjustments by choosing how long the video should be, also choosing the settings, how the video should be, the aspect ratio of your video. Also, if you want it to be lip synced, you could add a script so that the image that you've added is actually talking. So there's different kinds of output that you could get with this tool.
Hey friends, welcome to Zoe's Jamboree. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm excited to go to Magical Veggie Land. Come with me.
You must know though that it is free to a certain point and it asks you to upgrade. However, if you're wanting to grow a channel, it's one of those tools that I would really budget for, because the output of this is absolutely incredible. So I think it's worth it if you're growing a channel and you want to have authentic videos on your channel and people can connect to your characters. It's one of those tools that's really good out there. Your next video that you could go check out now is that lip sync or the blink video. You can also please go subscribe to our kids channel. Don't say I didn't show you. Let's do this together. Thank you so much for being part of my journey and watching this video. We will see you on our next video.